Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Chris. On this channel I post video updates on how you can make money online, and that is what I'm going to do right now in this video tutorial. As you can see on my screen, this is Binance Coin, and you can see 5.51 USD, which is equivalent to 0.02 BNB, and I'm going to teach you how you can also get yours for free. It is very simple and the steps are quite straightforward. So if I just zoom in, you can see right here at the top there's this name, this logo called Twortex. So Twortex is a cryptocurrency exchange, and they are currently giving new members 0.02 BNB as a reward for signing up. So all you need to do is go down to the description of this video and click on the link. I'll drop a link in the description video. So once you click on the link, it will take you to where you would sign up. So once you click on the link, it will bring you to this particular page. So all you need to do is navigate your way and click on sign up. So once you click on sign up, it will ask you for your email, your password, and you have to repeat a password. Now guys, now this is where you need to be very careful. I would advise that you open a new email, and while putting your password, put a password that is different from your other email's password or the one you just opened. This is just a security advice. So once you input your email, your new email, and a different password, a password that you have not used a password that you don't use for any personal accounts that can easily get hacked. Once you input it, then you click on sign up. So immediately you click on sign up, it will take you to the home page. Let me just log in so you can see. I'll log in right now. So once I log in, once you sign up, this is what you would see right here. So you'll be seeing your total balance, and you'll be seeing your amount of Binance Coin. So automatically, once you sign up, you'll be given 0.02 BNB. So on this exchange, you can buy TWX, that is the Twortex token. You can buy crypto, you can sell crypto, you can swap, you can earn through referrals and the likes. So if you want to earn more on referrals, all you need to do is click on referrals campaign right there. You will find it right there. So once you click on referral campaign, you can see right here Twortex has 4 levels of referral programs. For each purchase of TWX tokens by your referral, you get BNB to your personal address. So you can see these are the levels to it. That's level 1, this is level 2, 3, and so on. So once your referral buys TWX token, you are going to get credited. And for you to get credited, you can set your BSC address here. They can send it to your BSC address, probably that of Trust Wallet or any other exchange. But if you don't set it, they will credit your referral earnings to your wallet right here. So guys, this is how to earn free 0.02 BNB, and if you want to earn unlimited BNB, this is how you can. So you can always copy your referral code. You can see your referral link at the bottom of the page right here. Copy your referral link and share to your friends, and once they do the needful, you'll be getting rewards in BNB. So you might want to ask, how do you exchange and stuff like that? Okay, let me click on main wallet. So if I click on main wallet, you can always send your coin out. So this is BNB, Binance Coin. So I'm going to click on this icon that is going out. So once I click on it, it's like I'm sending my BNB coin out. So right now we can see the BNB bonus withdrawal will be available after August 1, 2021. So that's when how long you have to wait for you to get your BNB out. That's how long you have to wait for you to withdraw your Binance Coin on Twortex. So guys, last but not the least, this is not a financial advice. So I would tell you that I wouldn't bear any liability for your loss or profits from this platform. I give updates as I get them. It is your duty to do your own diligence research before you delve into this project. So guys, it's nice having you guys watch my video till the end, and if you want to get updates like this, please don't forget to subscribe. And also turn on the notification. This is what the notification does when you turn it on. Whenever I post videos like this, you get to see them first, and once you see them first, you get to enter the opportunity first and get your gains early. So guys, thank you very much for staying with me to the end of this video. Share this video to your friends and click on the like. If you have any questions for me, just drop them in the comment section below. Thank you very much guys. God bless you and stay safe.